Hello friends, welcome to Snowtech. Today we will see how to load single table data into multiple tables. Let's start. So I wanted to create an orchestration job. I will just right click here the default and click add orchestration job and providing the job name as load data. Click OK. So my job orchestration job I want to switch. Yes, I want to switch the job. Click OK. Before starting, I wanted to create some of the basic variables. So what I will do, I'll create a environment variable now. Click environment variable, manage environment variable, press Ctrl plus sign. So I want to create for source DB, source schema, source schema, source table name, source table. So I have this source schema, source table here. This is my source database. So I will just copy and paste here. And this is my schema. I'll just take this as my source schema. Copy this one, pasting here. The region is my table name. Region is my table name. So if you see, I have this region. This is my table. I wanted to load into test database is my target database. This is my target database. I wanted to load the region table here with in type 5 different regions. Same data I wanted to load into 5 different regions. So if you see there is no data here in this database, that means no tables created now. So we have to create using the orchestration job. So first I created this environment variable. Click OK. My environment job variable has been created now. I wanted to create a job variable. So I will create a job variable now. Click OK. I wanted to create two variables here. One is for my username and one for my table. So what I will create, I created username variable. Now I want to create one more variable, table. You can leave it as blank or else you can use some values. So for now I am providing region as my value. Click OK. Now my job variable is also ready. I will create grid variable. Click plus sign. Click name the variable name. Grid table I will take. Grid table. So for now I wanted to have only one column. So I will create a table name as my grid variable. Click OK. So here if you see I have table names. So these table names I wanted to add some of the table names which I told south region, west region like that. I have these regions already available. So I'll just copy and paste here. Copy. Just making as if I go with the text mode, I can easily paste the values and take this one so that I can able to see the values available. So I wanted to load this data, region data into 5 different tables in my target test database. Click OK. My grid variable is also ready now. Click OK. Now I wanted to search for grid iterator. Just drag and drop this one. Click and drag and drop. So I want to set the properties for this one. Click on this variable, grid variable. Select the grid table as variable. Variable mapping, I wanted to map the variable which I created for grid as well as job variable. So what I will do, I click on plus sign. The variable which I created for grid variable is table name. The variable name which I created for job is table. So I'm mapping these two. Click OK. So if you see, my job variable is table and my grid variable is table name. Okay, this is my variable. Okay. So my properties are set for grid iterator. So now I wanted to add one more component to this one. So I will just search for database query component. Just drag and drop here the canvas. Select the blue circle in the below. Drag and connect to this database query component. Now I want to set the properties for database query component. So my source database Snowflake. So I'll just change this one as my source database. You can select any of these sources in case if you have proper credentials for this one. So for now I am taking a Snowflake. Click OK. My connection URL I wanted to change it. So I will just have this URL. Copy this one. This URL is nothing but a Snowflake connection. This means this one. This is the URL. So I'm just copying and pasting here. Pasted. Click OK. Now my connection URL is ready. I wanted to give the username. So username is already available in the variable. So I will just copy and paste that variable name here. Just copy this one. Variable name. Variable name has to be declared with dollar symbol inside flower bracket. Click OK. Password. I have this password already available. So I'll just click OK. So my username and password, if it is correct, then I can able to see the data in this query. So if you see my variables which I created, it's available here. You can see this left side, source DB, source schema, everything is available here. So I wanted to fetch values from region table. So what I will do, I'll just write select star from this variable name dot schema name dot and the table name dot table. Click sample so that we can able to see the data here. So I have 5 rows available in my source table. Okay, this is my source table. So I'll click OK. My source table is ready now. Source query is ready now. So I wanted to create the target database. So I want to select which database I want to use. So click on compute warehouse. I've just taken the warehouse as compute warehouse. I'll take test compute warehouse and I'm taking database as my test database is my target database. And schema name I'll take as public. Click on public. Click OK. Target table. So I wanted to use the variable which I created, job variable, just to take this job variable, copy, and paste here. So dollar symbol, set flower bracket, paste the variable. Click OK. So now my source query is ready. My target database is also ready. I wanted to set the staging database. Staging platform, if I want to select, I want to select as S3 location. So I have this already. In case if you feel if you want to have any other staging platform, you can select that one. Click OK. Staging area I have, so I'll just select the bucket name. Click OK. If you see this OK symbol is OK, it's appearing, then my components are ready. It's validated already. So we will try to run this job and check out whether my data is properly loading or not. Just run the component. If you can see this run menu is there. This in the task menu you can able to see the stage completed, 5 records loaded. So 5 iterations generated. All the 5 records are loading. Let's wait for 1 minute so that we can able to see the data in the target database. So my job has been completed. So we will just go and verify. Just click on this refresh. So if you see, my tables are ready now. So if you have any doubt, we will check it out for South region and Western region. I have data here. So here I will refresh it to check it out. If you see, South region, North region, region, everything is name. 5 tables are available. region, southwest region. So we will verify here also, not a problem. I just create a one transformation job. Just name it as test job, switch the job. Here I wanted to read the data, so I will take the table input component here, drag and drop here, select the test database, schema name public, target table is region. Click OK, column names. So I have 3 columns. Click OK. I want to see the sample data. See the data. Okay. Thanks for watching my video.